Hello everyone, I am Shreya Flint from Shivaji College, Delhi University, and in this video we will discuss the major themes of Jane Eyre. As discussed in the previous short, Gothic, religion, love and relationships, gender dynamics, and social class, these are the five primary themes that we observe throughout the novel. Here we are going to delve into all of them one by one and see how they move the plot. Okay, so now what do we mean by the term Gothic? What do we mean when we say Gothic? It is basically a theme that instills horror and fear in the readers. Okay, it employs dark and picturesque scenery and creates an overall atmosphere of exoticism, mystery, fear, and dread. And settings are very crucial when we look at the thematic display in a text. The Red Room, for example, the Red Room is a huge Gothic setting, and the episode occurs in the initial part of the novel when Jane is in Gateshead Hall and when she was locked in the Red Room as a punishment for hitting John Reed. You can read the entire description of the eerie atmosphere and supernatural presence from the text. Supernatural because Jane felt the presence of Mr. Reed's ghost in the Red Room. Another major setting is Thornfield Hall. Thornfield Hall is basically a decaying mansion which is filled with hidden rooms, secret passageways, and very eerie landscapes. So, this environment of Thornfield Hall contributes to the atmosphere of gloom and isolation that permeates the story. Now, madness. So, when the story of Bertha Mason was unveiled, her madness and illness caused a gothic atmosphere. Jane was repelled by Bertha Mason's madness and she refused to marry Rochester. So, in that way, Bertha also caused a disruption in unions. Now we have dreams. So, throughout the novel, Jane has been having very vivid dreams and visions, resulting in her instability of thoughts. Through these dreams, the readers get a taste of Gothic. Lastly, we have secrets. So, there have been secrets of past life, majorly of Mr. Rochester. His hidden wife, Bertha Mason, and their daughter Adele is the biggest secret in the book. Apart from that, the secret family of Jane Eyre and her inheritance also come under this theme. Moving on to religion. So, religion plays a very important role in driving the novel. Since Jane Eyre was written in a time when reading for women was not fancied, Charlotte Brontë wrote a piece very smartly that encompasses the religious aspects along with discussing about more crucial topics. Firstly, we have the character of Mr. Brocklehurst, who is the superintendent of Lowood Institution. So, through his character, we encounter the tension between outward religiosity and inward spirituality. He pretends to be a very religious person, but internally he is not driven by spirituality. He uses religion as a tool for control and manipulation. In lower institution, Jane is made to study the Bible, and this ultimately results in her building a sense of closeness with God. Her moral decisions are also guided by the inner voice, often understood as the voice of God. And finally, through the character of St. John Rivers, who is a parish minister, we see a strong portrayal of Christianity. He is engrossed in the doctrines of religions and so is able to overcome temptations. St. John Rivers is ready to leave his family and his love, Rosamond Oliver, to fulfill his spiritual duties. Okay, so a good chunk of the novel is about the romantic relationship of Jane and Rochester. This love appeared to be one sided initially to Jane, but then it grew as a full fledged emotion felt by both of them. Their relationship develops between social and personal obstacles, which highlights the transformative power of love. Okay, so love also turns out to be blooming in Jane's life through the friendship of Helen Burns. There is a strong companionship and empathy between them. In the latter part, when it is revealed that St. John Rivers and his sisters are siblings of Jane, we also see a familial connection. So Jane also finds a sense of belonging and acceptance within the Rivers family. So this was it for the first part of the video. Stay tuned and we'll cover the next two themes of Jane Eyre very soon. Thanks for watching.